To create collage in the Xiaomi 17T Pro, you have to open the Google Photos application. Now, you will have to go for this plus in the right upper corner when you are in the photos, and now select to create collage. Now we can just select the photos that you want to use in this collage. You can tap to create, and you can use up to 6 photos. Wait for the creation process. That's gonna take a few moments, and after that, oh, I just forgot about one thing. Yeah, this is the problem that appears for me, that you have to be connected into the Wi-Fi or a mobile data, because without this, well, it will be not possible. So keep in mind that you have to be connected to the internet, and when you are connected, you can just simply repeat by tapping on the try again button. So something there is like, okay, never mind, I'm just connected right now. So let's see if it's gonna work. Yeah, right now it works. So what you can do, we can pick a different style, and what we can also do, we can change position of these photos. We can rotate them, we can zoom in or zoom out by using the pin gesture. And you can also add amount of the photos, so additional one, and click save in the right bottom corner.